Hello and welcome to vlog 14. I'm currently at Bankstown for request from Northern Transporter and also for RIP Bankstown line. Okay, so we got B1 arriving into Bankstown. Okay, so now as we wait for the next train to come, I'm just going to give you a quick pan. Very stormy and rainy. Okay, so we have another train coming. Right, there's an A set like right. But another train should be coming and it should be a B set. Set number is B17. And that A set should be departing. It's a bit funny, both of the buildings B7. I'll sit on the train and then see this. Oh wait, no, it's leaving. This is going to look good. He's going to be a bit closer. Shot by a Regent Park service. A70. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm currently right next to the station. I thought these stairs would take me there, but they're not. But I'm gonna try and stay because there is a train coming from that direction. Two of them, one's Ikesa and the other one's something else. But I'm pretty sure it's another Water. And then I'm pretty sure something coming from that way. But it is a kind of a bit of a sad sight to see. I always remembered the T3 line. I always thought when people say the T3, you'd always think of the Bankstown line. Yeah, it's a bit sad. So yeah, it's a bit cold here. And as you can see with the sky, it looks a bit different, but it's actually really pitch black. I can usually tell when the trains come because you just hear this, like an eerie sort of noise. But yeah. Oh, so you won't be seeing this friends when the train comes. I'll be lifting it like this. Yeah. Bus. The only way I know the train names and all where they're coming from and what it will be is because I have some app. It's called Any App, and that's sorry, not Any App. It's called Any Transport App. Oh, Parramatta bus. A bit far, but yeah, that's what it is. Oh. Hurstville. It's a bit far. We think there might be a train coming, boy. I'll probably see when the train comes. Oh, bit of plane spotting, huh? By the sounds of it, there may be actually a train coming from Lidcombe Way. I actually don't know yet. I can just hear non-stop talking. I'll give it a couple of minutes. Also I'd like to say apologies. I couldn't go on the train station because I did forget my Opal card, so yeah, sorry for that. Oh, just had a train horn. Yeah, I'm actually very sorry for that. My apologies. Yeah, it's definitely a train. Yeah, my apologies, my fault. But yeah, like I kind of expected, it wouldn't be like a fence like this, that's for sure. Yeah, like I said, my apologies. Sorry for that. But yeah, I'll see when the train comes, which I can hear like right now. Actually, I'm gonna try and get a train to see if they'll do that me. I don't know how it will work or if it will work, but I'm just gonna try and see if it'll happen. I'm pretty sure it says an A set on it. Is right when this train leaves from here, there's actually the K set right behind, and here it goes. You can actually hear the train. It's gonna either take off. Yeah, good luck, boys. And another one over there. It's a double A. Oh, this one's actually a B set. Double B set. And over there. Double smasher. Oh well, might as well just keep the camera on this section up. I'll tell you the set number if you can hear me. B14, and this one is, B maybe, or maybe B17. I don't know. I'll give you over here. So, I can't even see. I'm pretty sure it says B3 actually. Cannot see. Oh, bummer. Okay, I'll see when a case set comes, which I'll be tracking that like right now. Okay, so like the case is almost coming in to Bankstown. I mean the train station, sorry. But I don't know how long it'll park. Like a couple of times, like the trains have come and come that way and come in, but I haven't gone that quick. So like I don't know, but the case it'll be my last train and I'm wrapping the vlog up, guys. I'm actually gonna see if I can. Yeah, you can barely see the train, but there it goes. And a bus. Well, double buses. You know what, guys? I'm gonna change the systems here. Maybe. No. Maybe I'll stack it. I'm gonna try and get a good shot, because like the case of the train I've been running for ages. Here we are, boys. Right here. Good luck. Oh, I think I scratched myself in the face. Okay, I'll see when it comes. Okay, so there's now departing. I do. Okay. This one's gonna be the one, guys. Oh, he's still boss. Here we go. The train that we've all been wanting to get. K9! B98. Here's the one, boys. Here's the one, boys. Oh, rare one. I'll tell you the rear number. K75, I'm pretty sure it said. Aha, I finally got her. And it is K75. Now, I'm pretty sure I heard them say that train's going City Circle like Glenville. But anyway, I'll see you all in the next vlog, and bye for now. Oh, also, so before I go, this was a request as well for Northern Sydney train spotter. So yeah, right now I've got this all up. Bye for now. And also RIP for T3.